What's poppin' to MB Tribe? You already know who it is. It's your girl MaevëxBeauty, back with another video. And as you can tell from the title above, we are doing another makeup tutorial. Get ready with me for Sunkiss type vibe. The color and shade I'm going for is baby blue because that is my accent color. If you all have seen my outfit already, from my shoes to my bag to the whole fit on my grams or Facebook or whatever, then you already know what the deal is. And if you are a new subscriber, hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Let's get this video to about like 10 likes, and comment some blue hearts down in the comment section down below so that I know you are part of the tribe if you are new. And to all my beauties and to all my beasts, what's poppin'? I hope you all have had a blessed week, blessed day, whatever it is for you. And what's up? So of course you guys can tell and you have seen that I've been filling my eyebrows in with this black pencil while my cousin is trying to help me get this pineapple together. So then I'm going to go ahead and conceal my eyebrows, clean them up, get them where I want them to be, bring that concealer down to the lids of my eyes and blend that out. And then I will be going in with this baby blue shade in this palette that I won at a baby shower and all of that. As you guys will see throughout the video, while I was getting my eye look together, I noticed that, you know, I really wasn't feeling just the one shade because I'm not used to doing one shade anymore. I love my dimension and stuff like that. So that's what ended up saying it wrong. That's what made me come up with the idea of taking this darker blue shade in my makeup palettes that my mother got me from Jamaica. It made me get wouldn't be a MaevëBeauty video if I didn't get tongue tied, and I'm gonna say that every time. But yeah, that's what made me come up with the idea to go in the corner of my eyes and bring it up and out, and then let the rest of the color blue so I have a little more dimension to my face. So yeah, I wanted to let y'all know that. Boom, bow. Continue for the rest. Continue to enjoy the rest of this video. What is wrong with me? I don't know, but yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.
Hop out the car, I'm like, who on the me? Might just hop out the front, might just take me a lean. They be looking at me, they know I gotta eat. I've been standing on 10 toes, cause I never really knew who I could trust. Wipe them out with some dirt, shake them off with the rust. I'm so cut like some butter, had to run it up. And she screaming my name because I'm coming up. And I'm about to shake up the road. They tryna down me, now I gotta send out. They know I ain't playing, I just gotta call out a pick. Pick up the phone, gotta make it a header. I told them keep sleeping, I'm just getting better. Had to pick up the pace at the end of the line. Money moves all around, ain't no wasting time. Tell my bro, he finna send a blitz. I've been up in the kitchen, watch me whip the wrist. We gon' slide in the car, we gon' slide in the rent. Light it up like a J, I'm not talking about Leno. Gas been boofing, yeah, it got a sketch. How your man say he ballin', but he on the bench. I was never the type to function like the rest. These niggas too foul, I might just call it rap. Ooh, pick up the pace, about to drop me a dime. Don't hit my phone, especially if you gon' waste my time. I just serve him a pound, ain't no kilo. Give him a stitch, I ain't talking about Lilo. My dog's really steppin', we pack with a punch. They said I've been eating, this really some lunch. If it comes down to the wire, we gon' set them up. I trap with my brothers, yeah, we had enough. Many men with artillery, yeah, they really coming heavy. Keep it tucked, you know he gotta keep it steady. I been had to drop like a Chevy. They call me a beast, feel the rumble in my fucking belly. When I mention, I want me a belly coupe. And she for the street, she fucking for some revenue. When I fly to the hills, I'm trying to see a better view. Watch out, cause I'm coming, trying to get ahead of you. They really hate, they don't do it like. Hey
babes, so I'm jumping back in here so I can explain this part a little bit more because this is what I was talking about in the beginning. So you see how I then blended out the blue shade further up, not too close to my eyebrow line, but right underneath there, but where my crease meets the eyebrow line, that's where I blended the light blue shade out to. Then I'm going back into my palette with that dark blue shade that's like a shade or two darker from the baby blue shade that I'm using, and I'm going in there in the inner ducts of my eyes to the crease, but not fully into my crease all the way out, just like stopping at the midway line where the arch of my eyebrow meets it. That's how I'm doing it. So if you ever want to try this makeup look, I hope I explained that better for you as you're watching me doing it as well. But yeah, so you see what I'm saying though, it brought more dimension to my face. It brought more oomph to my eye look, and it just brought it together, baby. So now let's get into this face.
She love when I come and hit from the back, give her a heart attack. My pride was lost, but now I got it back. No starter pack, was all alone, so I ran up a sack. She wanna handle that, wanna be my world, I don't think I can manage that. No paddle back, the love they have for me, I had to damage that. Lost in my own head, my own emotions, had to strangle that. Fuck love and chase a loot, kicking rocks, I give the boot. I've been seeing skies of blue, not too many gon' rap for you. They know me, not too many can come in here and just get it. Been riding on my bras for so long, I can't even feel it. My destiny awaiting, I'm taking chances and living. I ain't gonna stop.
Hey babes, hey babes, hey babes. I'm hopping back in here, but I'm not talking about the eyes. Of course, I'm doing my wing and I'm doing my lashes. But I came in here to tell y'all about my primer that I use for my makeup look, because I love the way it had my makeup feeling throughout the day. So if you all have seen my Good Molecules review, or if you haven't, please go check that out. I received a moisturizing primer from them. I'm not exactly sure the full name of it at the moment right now, but I will have it in the description box below. I wanted to try it out and test it, so I did use that as my primer today, which is different from what I normally use. Now, you know how as you get older, your face starts losing that elasticity. This is for my people who have lisp and can't say certain words. It's hard, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so you know when your face, I'm only 25, so my face isn't that blah, blah, blah. But you know how when you were younger, it's like tighter. So it gave you that like baby smooth, tight, just got some Botox type feeling. Not necessarily, but that's the best way I could describe it. It gave it that like all my pores immediately closed up. So that way when I applied my makeup, it applied and blended so smooth, so flawless. And throughout the day, yes, even though we were outside and I did sweat, it wasn't as bad as I would sweat normally with other primers or moisturizers or anything. Like my face would be dripping and you could tell by the end of the day that like, okay, yeah, she was outside cranking. But throughout the day and throughout the night, when I say my makeup looked the same way it did when I left the house, even with me blotting throughout the day and stuff like that, y'all, this primer was my best friend that day. I am going to try it again to see if it has the same effect, but I just wanted to let y'all know that. And please don't mind my cousin twerking in the background. She doesn't know better, but yeah and yeah. Hey babes, I'm going in now with my tinted moisturizer and my foundation. Everything will be linked in the description box down below. These are my favorite two combinations, especially for the summertime. And please don't be distracted by my cousin in the background, because we both know that she got issues and I got issues too. Once I do that, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in all the places that I love to highlight my face. And you will see me picking up my fan and fanning that out, drying it so that I can be able to blend it out smoothly. But y'all see how crystal clear and smooth my foundation is blended out ever since I used that primer. Like, I don't know if this is going to be my everyday primer, but it might be. So we going to see. So after that, then I go in with my Maybelline liquid blush, my new fave blush. I'm probably gonna do a makeup phase for y'all. I'm gonna think about doing that type video because I have a lot of faves that y'all probably don't even know about. So then I'm gonna go in with that, put that on my cheekbones and my nose, the way that I love to blush. And y'all will see me doing this. This is a weird step that I never do because I make sure that I contour before I finish the whole entire face. But in all honesty, I was not planning on contouring my face at all with this makeup look because I knew we was going to be outside in this damn heat. But after I finished my face, y'all, because they call me the contour queen, like my face just looked like it was missing something. It was missing everything. So then I had to add the contour, and I did add that at the last minute. Resetted my face with the setting powder and the setting spray, and it just brought the whole entire look together. So I just wanted to let y'all know that, so y'all didn't see it and be like, bitch, you did the last part last, but you wasn't supposed to do it last. Because I know. It's just me. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I'm about to get out of y'all hair and stop talking and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Share it to your friends, family, all that. Insects, sky, dogs, cats, whatever. Anybody who wants to sit there and watch TV, share it to them. And I'm about to go cuss this boy out. Love y'all. Peace, love, and blessings. And we out. Alright, y'all, I know I said I was done and I'm going, but I'm going after this. So y'all seen that part where my cousin was all up in my face, right? That's only because I had told her to smell my face, because as I was applying my foundation, it was starting to smell like chocolate, and I had told her to smell it, and she smelled my face, but she smelled it in a weird way. I just had to explain that part because I know some of y'all gonna look at it and be like, what are they doing? But yeah. Alright, now I'm gone. Enjoy the video. Bye.
Mama keep playing these games. You saying you love but you change. Now I'm really feeling the range. You say you don't know. I don't think I know you for sure, but I don't want you to let go. Come and vibe. Let's make it right. Please come take my sweet love, sweet love. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't be calling me baby, you. Girl, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I don't know why all these people ain't feeling me. These drugs in my lungs, now I feel like it's killing me. Put no trust in no one, only music is healing me. They be jogging their style, I swear they really kin to me. I don't know why all these people ain't feeling me. These drugs in my lungs, now I feel like it's killing me. Put no trust in no one, only music is healing me. They be jogging their style, I swear they really kin to me. I always knew I've been back to the bone. Pop me a yerky, got back in my zone. If it ain't about money, then don't hit my phone. Two-tone drip like this came from B-Lone. I drip and I splash, I'ma get in my bag. Up in the clutch, I'ma wipe with a rag. Riding the foreign skirt off in the cat. Getting the cheese, I don't fuck with the raps. I'm getting this money, I'm getting this cheddar. She like how I do it, ain't nobody my brothers, we coming together like you like some treasure. No paparazzi, but niggas see just where I'm do what I say, I think I got them walking with confidence. These niggas hating, man, I swear they anonymous. I see the hate from far away and I don't even I told my niggas we gon' make it, nobody is stopping us. It's been a minute, but I'm back in my jam. Staying down, I had to stick to the plan. They thought I was nothing, thought I was a scam. Had to chop and screw it like I'm twisting the can. They love my aroma. This shit too easy, I don't need a diploma. Hit up my plug and ship it out, I put on my calendar. I'm leveling up, I don't need no more challenges. I don't know why all these people ain't feeling me. These drugs in my lungs, now I feel like it's killing me. Put no trust in no one, only music is healing me. They be jogging their style, I swear they really kin to me. I don't know why all these people ain't feeling me. These drugs in my lungs, now I feel like it's killing me. Put no trust in no one, only music is healing me. They be jogging their style, I swear they really kin to me. Big Joe, yeah. They really hate, they don't do it like me. Hop out the car, I'm like, who under me? Might just hop out the front, might just take me a leak. They be looking at me, they know I gotta eat. I've been standing on 10 toes, cause I never really knew who I could trust. Wipe them out with some dirt, shake them off with the rub. I'm too cut like some butter, had to run it up. And she screaming my name because I'm coming up. And I'm about to shake up the road. They tryna down me, now I gotta send out the They know I ain't playing, I just gotta call out a pick. Pick up the phone, gotta make in a header. I told them keep sleeping, I'm just getting better. Had to pick up the pace at the end of the line. Money moves all around me, no wasting time. My bro, he finna send a blitz. I've been up in the kitchen, watch me whip the wrist. We gon' slide in the car, we gon' slide in the rent. Light it up like a J, I'm not talking about Leno. Gas been boofing, yeah, got it sketch. How your man say he ballin', but he on the bench. I was never the type to function like the rest. These niggas too foul, I might just call it rap. Ooh, pick up the pace, about to drop me a dime. Don't hit my phone, especially if you gon' waste my time. I just serve him a pound, ain't no kilo. Give him a stitch, I ain't talking about Lilo. My dog's really steppin', we pack with a punch. They said I've been eating, this really some lunch. If it comes down to the wire, we gon' set them up. I trap with my brothers, yeah, we had got many men with artillery. Yeah, they really coming heavy. Keep it tuck, you know he got it, keep it steady. I been had to drop like a Chevy. They call me a beast, feel the rumble in my fucking belly. When I mention, I want me a Bentley. And she for the street, she fucking for some revenue. When I fly to the hills, I'm trying to see a better view. Watch out, cause I'm coming, trying to get ahead of you. They really hate, they don't do it like me. Hop out the car, I'm like, who on the me? Might just hop out the front, might just take me a leak. They be looking at me, they know I gotta eat. I've been standing on 10 toes, cause I never really knew who I could trust. Wipe them out with some dirt, shake them off with the rub. I'm too cut like some butter, had to run it up. And she screaming my name because I'm coming up. And I'm about to shake up the road. They tryna down me, now I gotta send out. They know I ain't playing, I just gotta call out a pick. Pick up the phone, gotta make in a header. I told them keep sleeping, I'm just getting better. Had to pick up the pace at the end of the line. Money moves all around, ain't no wasting time. Yeah. She love when I come and hit from the back, give her a heart attack. My pride was lost, but now I got it back. No starter pack, was all alone, so I ran up a sack. She wanna handle that, wanna be my world, I don't think I can manage that. No paddle back, the love they have for me, I had to damage that. Lost in my own head, my own emotions, had to strangle that. Fuck love and chase a loot, kicking rocks, I give the boot. I've been seeing skies of blue, not too many gon' ride for you. They know me, not too many can come in here and just get it. Been riding on my bronze for so long, I can't even feel it. My destiny awaiting, I'm taking chances and living. I ain't gonna stop at winning, cause really I'm feeling driven. Oh, I'm just getting the feel. Is you gon' ride, is you gon' still keep it real? Shit been moving, gotta keep it concealed. Toxic vibes, I just don't know how to feel. Oh, I'm just getting the feel. Is you gon' ride, is you gon' still keep it real? Shit been moving, gotta keep it concealed. Toxic vibes, I just don't know how to feel.
I just don't know how to feel. I keep on riding with these thoughts in the pill. We whack her up, you know that's part of the drill. I stick to money.
I just a wake up, you know.